In this video, I'm going to show you how to do Edexcel A-Level Maths from June 2022, question 10. My name is Sunil Tanna. I'm an author and tutor. I'm available for one-to-one tuition, both online and in person. I live in Buckinghamshire, England. Please like and subscribe. A scientist is studying the number of bees and the number of wasps on an island. The number of bees, measured in thousands, which is n subscript b, is modelled by the equation n subscript b is equal to 45 plus 220 e to the power of 0.05 t, where t is the number of years from the start of the study. According to the model, A, find the number of bees at the start of the study. So in that case, it's year 0, so we put t as 0. So for part A, nb is equal to 45 plus 220 e to the 0.05 times 0. That's just e to the 0, which is 1. So 45 plus 220 is 265. So which gives you 265,000 bees. Part B. Show that exactly 10 years after the start of the study, the number of bees was increasing at a rate of approximately 18,000 per year. So here we need the derivative of NB, so dn dt, or dnb dt. So dnb dt. What we're going to do is, so we differentiate 45, it disappears, and then we differentiate to 220 times e to the 0.05 t. So 0.05 times 220 gives 11 e to the 0.05 t, and at t equals 10, dn dt, we put in 10 into this formula, we'll have 11 e to the 0.5 t, which gives us 18.136, which gives us, so 18,136 bees per year, which of course is approximately 18,000 bees per year. Okay. The number of wasps measured in thousands, NW, is modelled by the equation NW is equal to 10 plus 800 e to the power of minus 0.05 t, where t is the number of years from the start of the study. When little t equals big T, according to the models, there are an equal number of bees and wasps. Find the value of big T to 2 decimal places. So for part C, the value in the equations will be the same. So we'll have 45 plus 220 e to the 0.05 t, capital T is the number of bees, is equal to the number of wasps, which will be 10 plus 800 e to the minus 0.05 capital T. So what I'm going to do is I'll notice that we've got this e to 0.05 t and a minus e to the 0.05 t. So I'm going to think about that, maybe substitute that in as a say that x. So let x is equal to e to the 0.05 t. So it now becomes 45 plus 220x is equal to 10 plus 800 divided by x. Okay. So what I can do is, you can probably see if I'm going to times everything by x, I'm going to end up with a quadratic in x. So let's do that. Times everything by x. So this will become 220x squared. I'll have 45 minus 10 is 35, and then times x is 35x, and then timesing this by x will be 800 over x times x would just be 800, and then bring it to the left-hand side be minus 800 is equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation in x. I can now solve for x using the quadratic formula. So this gives me x is 1.829 or minus 1.9981, which I'm going to reject because it's negative. Remember, x is e to the power of 0.025, e to the power of 0.05 t. So this gives me e to the power of 0.05 capital T is 1.829. I'll take a natural log of both sides, so I'll get 0.05 t is natural log of 1.829. So t is equal to natural log of 1.829 divided by 0.05. I can then put that in the calculator and it comes to 12.08 years to 2 decimal places. And that completes question 10.